Alright, so I'm going to do another local recording. My sound should be hopefully adequate. I'm also turned down the game sound. Looks like my audio is about 35%. So I mean, should be alright. Let's do some blasts because they're usually quicker. I really don't need a lot of time to test it. You know, just one quick game with me talking as much as I can to get the audio levels the way I want them. So, alright, let's join here. Roll up the sleeves. The gameplay itself, like as I'm playing this game, is a little quieter for me than what I want, which might be a problem, right? At least until I get that condenser microphone. Might be a problem until I get that condenser microphone in December. That is much louder or more pronounced. Let's see here. That's rough. But I'm actually doing pretty good. What's going on here? Where are they at? Yeah, I need to keep talking. I'm not talking too much because I'm actually like doing really well in this game, which is kind of rare. Yeah, now you're down. Now you're dead. Everyone's dying. Yeah, but so far I actually really like this game. I mean, the fact that it's Star Wars is pretty sweet. You know, all the good stuff that comes with that. Now you're dead. Everyone's dying. Throw that grenade, come on. Throw that grenade. Good job. Why are you pushing on me if you're that low health? Really, that's not very smart. That's why you died. I didn't kill anyone. Oh, they finally got me. 9 and 1. Wow. I don't know how. Shit. But I thought I at least got one kill there. Come on. Yeah, like usually I might consider like leaving the game, but since I'm actually doing this good, I don't want to do that. Shit, come on. I was doing crazy good, and that damn DL-44 is fucking bullshit. I can't even believe that it's gone that far and not been changed. Let's see here, 10 kills with heavy. Not doing that good. Come on, guys. I don't think I'll be changing my gun, at least until I unlock something quite noticeably better. Gotta heal. Stay focused. Gotta keep talking. Oh, there's a guy up there. Let's see here. go. I love those shields. They work so well.
Rebels in the area.
Shit. Well, 14 and 5 still looks pretty good. Yeah, that DL, it's just, I can't, it's just like the guy says in the chat, it's like the fucking golden man. It's fucking retarded. Like, just instant kills me. It's so stupid.
They've got us outnumbered.
Thank you. Die. There we go. She's doing really well. Number 1 on the team. Imagine how good I'd be doing if I actually had the better items in the game. You know, all the ones that that I can't have. Oh well. We'll see what happens here. Just gonna get one more kill there. It's good shit. Yep, most kill assists. Yay. Okay, so I'm gonna quit now. See how the audio sounds.